DS18 PRO-ZXI Pro Audio Loudspeaker Combo Review. Real proof, loud and clear. You turn up the volume expecting something to happen, and instead your stock speakers just get louder and worse at the same time. A friend of mine blasted his favorite track on a road trip and described the sound as a blender full of gravel. That feeling of disappointment hits hard. Sound should feel good. Have you ever sat in your car wishing the audio actually matched the vibe? That gap between what you hear and what you want quietly ruins every drive. The tinny highs, the hollow mids, the complete absence of anything resembling real bass presence drains the joy right out of your system. One installer told me a client delayed upgrading for 2 years because the options felt overwhelming. A better, cleaner, more powerful solution was always closer than it seemed. Everything changed when I found a setup that actually treats mid-bass and vocal clarity as the priority rather than an afterthought. Don't just grab any car speakers. Make sure they have high-sensitivity Pro Audio engineering so you never deal with blown-out distortion at high volume again. The DS18 PRO-ZXI Pro Audio Loudspeaker Combo is exactly that kind of discovery. Two 6.5-inch mid-range loudspeakers and two 6x9-inch loudspeakers work together to create a front and rear stage that projects with authority in any cabin environment. At 97 to 98 decibels of sensitivity, these speakers get genuinely loud without demanding brutal amplifier power to get there. The hybrid ferrite and neodymium magnet construction handles 300 watts RMS per speaker with ease, even during long listening sessions. The gloss black basket face and black bullet dust covers look aggressive and intentional, not like an afterthought. One busy detailing shop owner installed the full combo between appointments and said his van sounded completely transformed before the next client arrived. Effortless upgrade. Stay with me because the long-term performance proof coming next is equally convincing. Living with the DS18 PRO-ZXI Pro Audio Loudspeaker Combo daily reveals just how much factory audio was holding everything back. Vocals sit forward and clear, mid-bass hits with real weight, and the overall stage feels alive in a way that stock speakers simply cannot replicate. A car audio specialist I follow described the ZXI series as one of the strongest efficiency-to-output ratios available in the Pro Audio mid-range category, specifically praising the hybrid magnet design for sustaining clean output under pressure. A verified buyer said after hooking them up over the weekend in both door positions, the result was awesome, adding that DS18 is the only brand they trust after repeated positive experiences across multiple builds. One concern people raise is whether Pro Audio speakers demand complicated installation or specialized equipment. They do not. The shallow mounting depth of the 6.5-inch units at just 2.83 inches means most vehicles accept them cleanly without modification. Some users with non-standard pods may need minor adjustments, but that is common across the category. See why so many Jeep owners, truck builders, and power sports enthusiasts keep coming back to this combo specifically. What was the moment your stock audio finally broke you? Drop your story below. If strong mid-bass presence, crisp vocal clarity, and a genuinely loud Pro Audio experience matter to your daily drive, the DS18 PRO-ZXI Pro Audio Loudspeaker Combo is a smart, well-proven upgrade. A growing number of car audio enthusiasts, Jeep builders, and custom install professionals are already running this combo with consistently strong results. Results may vary depending on your amplifier and system setup. Check the link in the description for full details. Real sound starts here. Click it and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.